Welcome to the web browser version of the Edmonton Queer History App. You will use this app to learn about significant historical landmarks related to queer history in Edmonton. There are 8 locations, a historical timeline, and an acknowledgement section. Here's how to use the app for the best experience. When you click on a location, you can see that there is text, some images, and a video. Locations will always have images and text, but not all of them will have video or audio samples. Whenever a location has a video, start off by watching it. When you click on the video link, please click on the scroll wheel of the mouse so that you get a new tab for the video.
There has been no real convictions in reference to these acts be done in private.
Note that the videos are referenced, such as this clip from CBC. After viewing the video, read the text and view the pictures. Note that clicking on the pictures gives you caption text to read that has more information about the picture. When viewing the pictures, you can also click on the left and right arrow keys of your keyboard to navigate. The audio, if there is any, is best saved for last. The order in which you should interact with different multimedia is written down beside your computer in case you forget. You might also note that the blue circles on the map highlight a location that corresponds to the one you are reading about. There is a link called Street View at the bottom of the text. Click on that link to conveniently view these locations. Lastly, you can see the reference numbers in the text that correspond to a source at the end of a page. Now that you know how to use the app, please proceed through the locations in the order they are listed, starting with the Pisces Health Spa. If you have any questions about using the app, please ask any of our KIT lab members.